So, what's up guys? Welcome again sa ating Pasagot Please YouTube channel. So, para sa gagawin natin yan is tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba mag-lock ng Facebook account, Facebook profile natin ngayong 2022 kasi nagbago na yung process niya. So, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, click the subscribe button para maging updated sa mga uploads. And then, let's go! All right, so let's start, no? Bakit nga ba tayo nagla-lock ng profile natin? Usually ginagamit natin 'yan kasi ayaw natin na ini-stalk tayo o kaya we are a private person. So, hindi natin gustong makita yung kung ano man ang pino-post natin from other ex. So, yung iba minsan sa ex nila, minsan naman privacy because of sa trabaho or somehow private person ka lang talaga. Okay, so let's start. Nasa homepage tayo ngayon. So, click lang natin yung 3 dot. And then, punta tayo sa profile natin. Okay? Once na nasa profile na tayo ngayon, click nyo lang yung 3 dot katabi ng edit profile. So, ito yung gagawin natin for a new kasi this is for 2022 pag-update. So, make sure click nyo yung 3 dot. And then, merong mga options dito. So just click yung merong lock o kaya yung kandado na view privacy shortcut. Just click that one. So makikita natin yung option privacy. So i-click lang natin, i-tap lang natin yung take a privacy checkup. Yan. Okay, once nandito na tayo, we'll have to do all of these details. So, naka-indicate who can see what you share. So, just click that one. I-tap nyo lang yan. And then, you can see the profile information, posts, blocking. So, click continue. And then, as you can see dito, yung email natin. Ayan, naka-only me lang yan. Usually, ginagawa ko yan. It's because to avoid hacking. Alright, usually yan yung nangyayari. Nakikita yung email ad mo. Kaya, ang ginagawa ng mga hacker is just trying to access it and then doing some putting mga passwords, unnecessary passwords just like that. Okay? Tapos yung date of birth mo, so depende sa inyo kung ano ilalagay nyo dyan. Is it for friends, only me, like that. Ayan, public, friends, only me, or close friends. Yan lang yan. And then yung hometown, depende na sa inyo kung ipa-private nyo yan or ipa-public nyo yan. Okay, let's say yung hometown ko, gagawin ko siyang only me. Ayan. And then, for relationship, I'll put it only me. And then, men and women. So, depende sa inyo kung friends. Tapos, yung current address mo, lalagay ko lang din only me. Ayan. And then, yung work, lagay natin only me lang din yan. Okay, for that, lamok killer, it's okay. And then, ayan, only me natin. Only me, yun yung mga past na, oops. Yan, only me. And then, education, only me. Only me. Ayan, let's put it only me, only me. Ayan. Who can see your friends list on your profile? So, depende sa inyo kung if-friends nyo ba yan or sa inyo lang. So, kung sino yung makakita din, just tap next. Okay, once na next na, ayan, future post. So, ano yung mas makakakita sa inyo? Sino yung makakakita kung may ipopost ka? So, for me, I'll just put it friends. Ayan. And then, click back. And then, stories. Of course, lagay natin as friends. Ayan. And then, click back. Okay, updated na siya. And then, as you can see dito, yung limit. Itap nyo yung limit. Ayan. You're about to limit the post. Ayan. As you can see that one. Ayan. Limit it all. Ayan. So, nakalimit lang siya. Okay? And then, click yung next. And then, add na lang kayo ng block nyo dito yung mga hindi nyo gusto ng mga tao. So, add a blacklist. Yun. Yung toxic people. So, dyan tap next. And then, make sure na naka-check yung tatlong yan profile information, post and stories, blocking, and then review and other topics. Tap na naman. Then, dito naman tayo sa how to keep your account secure. Ayan. Your password is okay. Login alerts are on. Turn on two-factor authentication. So, review na lang. Depende sa inyo kung i-change yung password. For me, hindi ko siya i-change. So, I'll just skip. And then, we'll send you notification on Facebook. And then, we'll send notification. I-tap nyo yan. Hindi naka-enable kanina. So, enable natin. Para in case kung merong mga hacking na mangyayari or mag-try to check on your account is magno-notify sila sa email address mo. Alright? Sa akin, naka-Facebook lang. But now, I'll put it enable sa email. Next natin. And then, ayan, yung tips. Just skip that one. That's okay. Ayan. Make sure naka-check din yung tatlo Your profile is okay, login alerts are on, turn on two-factor authentication. Make sure that one. Okay, review and other topics. So, dito na tayo sa pangatlo. Ayan, how to find people can find you on Facebook. Okay, so let's continue. Click on continue. Ayan, your control who can send you a friend request. So, sino yung pwedeng mag-send ng request sa inyo? Is it from public or yung friends lang? O ganun, or pwede lang then everyone, o yun na yung public. So for me, I don't intend to do that na lahat ang pwedeng mag-request. So I intend na friends of friends, friends of friend, para at least meron pa rin kaming contacts kung paano kami naging friends. Alright? So and then click nyo lang yung next. And then choose who can look up you gamit yung phone number and then your email address. So for me, ang pwede lang makahanap sa akin is yung friends, and friends for the phone, and then phone number and then email is only friends. Para at least secure pa din ako. Alright? So click yung next. And then search engines such as Google can link to your profile. So do you prefer outside of Facebook na i-search kanila? For me, since I don't want anyone to look into me from other websites, dinidisable ko siya. So like Google, kung isi-search niyo yung pangalan ko doon, hindi siya makikita. I don't want it to do it. So dinidisable ko na siya. Okay? Make sure na hindi yan naka-enable. And then next. Make sure na naka-check ulit siya. You're all set. Friends request, phone number and email address, and search engines. And then review other topics. Dito na tayo sa dulo, your data settings on Facebook. Alright? Ayan, your data settings on Facebook. Yung apps and their websites and then location. So, click continue. Alright. Ito yung mga naka-login sa akin. Ayan, mga naka-login using my Facebook. Parang ang tagal na nito. So, kung meron kang i-remove, like this one, ayan remove. Ayan, i-remove natin to, delete all posts. Yep, ayan, remove natin yan. You can just remove that one. What others? Ayan, yan. Nag-sample lang tayo ng removal. Okay, yung mga apps yan. Okay, I think this one, we can also remove this. Ayan, para makapag-sample tayo. Ayan, removed. What else? Yung iHearts. Ayan, remove na din natin yan. Ayan. So, depende sa inyo kung ano yung remove. Usually, merong nakalagay din dito ng mga Mobile Legends, mga ganun. Yung mga connected sa Facebook nyo. So, as much as possible, kung pwede nyo siyang i-remove, remove natin. And then, just click next. Ayan. Okay, just click next. And then make sure na naka-check yung dalawa. You're all set. Apps and website location. Review other topics. Alright, that's okay. That's all good now ngayon. So, i-check natin ngayon kung ano yung status. Alright? So, back lang natin yan. Back lang. And then, click nyo yung view as. Click nyo yung view as para makita natin kung ano yung status ng Facebook. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, yan yung profile natin na makikita sa labas. Ayan, yung makikita nyo is photos. And then, yan na. Yan lang. Yung makikita niya lang is yung profile photo mo at saka yung background photo. So, that's it. So, kung gusto nyo pa ng mga maraming tips, just subscribe to my channel. And then, don't forget to like and then share, of course, para din makita ng iba yung mga ina-uploads natin. And then, thank you and that's it. Goodbye.